Hello and welcome to By 1DM. I am 1DM, here to share all things real about the digital world. Welcome back to all of my old subscribers. We've been here since the beginning, and welcome to all my new subscribers who are now seeing this video. Well, from here at By 1DM, we talk about everything from education, job markets, and personal financial management for those new and old to the money game. This is never seen before content for majority of us here, but I am here to spill the beans of these digital secrets that we are unmasking today. Now, without wasting any more time, please grab your book, your pen, open up a notepad on your phone, because this is going to be a lot of information in a very small amount of time. So today we are here to talk about methods to make money. So my favorite method is a method that I learned on TikTok. You get yourself 100 envelopes, and in those 100 envelopes you label them 1 to 100, and what you're going to do after that is write down you're gonna shuffle them up, put them in a box, a lock box, a box with a keypad, whatever, which one you want, or put it in a safe. Every day you're gonna come to that box, open it up, and whichever random number is on that envelope is the amount of money you're gonna put in there. You are gonna save 5,000, whatever your currency is, whether it be dollars, rands, because those are the only two currencies that I currently work with. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna be committed to this. Or if you feel, okay, you know what, this isn't for me, there is a digital solution for this. Hang on, I'm about to spill the beans on how I do this on my banking app with, wait for it, a sheet that I'm going to give you for free right down in the link below. So what I'm going to do is I am going to give you a sheet right there in the link below. It's a fillable digital sheet, so you can do this whole process digitally, and it's going to have a little intro page that's going to tell you how you're going to do this. So with every single entry you make each day, you are also going to enter that amount of money into a separate savings account, separate from the account that you're using right now. Some accounts come with the ability to have more than 5 savings accounts in one account. Other accounts, you have to open a separate one completely with a different card. If you want to avoid temptation, you can either give that card to somebody else that you trust and you know that they will not use it, or you can even use maybe a key and lock that card away. But with regards to the 100 envelopes, you can even give the key to somebody else if you know that you're tempted to do this. So guys, this is method number 1 on how you're going to save 5,000 in 3 months or less. Okay, so method number 2, which I actually like a lot. We do this here at my house all the time. We have jars all over the place. So what you're going to do is have a glass. I started off with 1 glass in my room, just a clear glass, and I put it behind something that I hardly ever move. You chuck money behind there almost every day. Just keep on chucking money behind there. Always throw money there, like even if it's just 2 5 rands or something, even if it's like 20 cents, throw it in there, and then I promise you, if you do this religiously, every day you leave the house or every day you come across some spare change, or somebody from your house or somebody that you live with that you asked to help you puts money in there and they've come across some spare change, guys, I promise you that amounts to a lot of money very quickly. And I'm not just talking coins, I'm talking notes. If you so happen to empty your pockets at the end of the day and you put in that note there, trust me, you're not going to miss it. You are going to do fantastic things with that money, I promise you. Now, to keep yourself from opening these jars, you are going to have to do the following. Either get those jars that you can lock, that have the keypad, or you can get the jars and you just put super glue over it and close it, and they hardly ever open. The next time you'll be able to open it is if you put it in hot water, and if you use it for coins, even better. Now, here's what you're doing with this money. You're not throwing it away. You're putting it in index funds. You're putting it in savings funds. You're putting it in long-term savings investments. Nothing less than 5 years. I promise you guys. Do not spend this money on a car, on anything like a PlayStation, whatever that's going to depreciate in value. We are only investing this money in things that are going to make us more money. This is the money that you're going to need for when you're asleep and it's making more money. Guys, tell me if you want me to do a video on index funds, as well as investments accounts, as well as other savings accounts that you can use, or investment firms, even investment funds that you can use in order to be able to get this money that I'm talking about. Okay, so guys, we've come to the end of it. I tried to put it in 5 minutes. Anything that you feel I went too fast for, link it down below in the comment section. Comment, and I will be more than happy to help. Now I'll leave you with these. Make money that's going to make money. Don't just make money or save money that's just gonna sit there and accumulate dust and maybe 2% a year. No, go for savings accounts that are big. Don't be afraid to ask. Oprah said, you only get what you ask for. So if you're afraid to ask for higher interest, then you're not going to get it. Go to your bank, talk to them. So guys, it's been wonderful. It's been great. See you next time.